Learned about ordering of numbers. That means how to arrange the given numbers in ascending order and how to arrange the given numbers in descending order. And also we have practiced some problems in exercise 1.5. Now the next topic in this chapter is forming smallest and greatest numbers with the given digits. Children, how to form the greatest number and smallest number with the given some set of digits. So here we can form smallest number if we arrange the given digits in descending order. The smallest number can be obtained by arranging the given digits. So smallest number can be obtained by arranging the given digits in descending order, in ascending order. So children, if we arrange the given digits in ascending order, then we will get to smallest number. So ascending order means from smallest to greatest. So if we arrange the given digits from smallest to greatest, then we will get the smallest number. And next one is how to form the greatest number. So greatest number can be obtained. So we can write the greatest number with the help of given digits. And if we arrange the given digits from greater to smallest number. So greatest to smallest number, that is called descending order. So if we arrange the given numbers in descending order, then we will get greatest number. Here descending order means from greatest to smallest. So children, remember these 2 points, then we can easily form the greatest number and smallest number with the given digits. So these are the points you have to note down. So children, the smallest number can be obtained if we arrange the given digits from smallest to greatest. That is, if we arrange the ascending order, then we will get the smallest number. And greatest number can be obtained if we arrange the given digits from greatest to smallest. That means in descending order. So these are the 2 points you have to remember. Then we can easily form the greatest and smallest number with the given digits. Let us see an example and let us see an example for these problems. So we can understand how to write this greatest number and smallest number by taking an example. So write the greatest 5-digit number with the digits 7. So write greatest 5-digit number. So write greatest 5-digit number with by using the digits. So by using the digits 7, 5, 0, 3 and 8. So children, see the example. Here the digits given are 7, 5, 0, 3 and 8. So total 5 digits are given. So we can form 5-digit numbers. So we can form greatest 5-digit number and also smallest 5-digit number. And we can also form 6-digit numbers also. By using these 5-digit numbers, we can form 6-digit numbers, 7-digit numbers also. So first, let us understand how to write the greatest 5-digit number and how to write the greatest smallest 5-digit number. So first, greatest 5-digit number. So children, greatest 5-digit number. So greatest number can be obtained by arranging the given digits from greatest to smallest. Now arrange these digits from greatest to smallest. So among 7, 5, 0, 3 and 8, so which one is the greatest? Here 8 is the greatest. So write 8 first. So after 8, which one is the greatest among these 4? So 7 is the greatest. So write 7 after 8. So after 7, among 3, which one is the greatest? 5, 0 or 3. So 5 is the greatest. So write 5 here. Among 2, so 0 and 3, which one is the greatest? So 3 is the greatest. So write 3 and there will be remained 0 and write the remaining digit in the last. So children, so this is the descending order of the given digits. That means we have arranged the given digits in descending order. That means from greatest to smallest. So we obtained a 5-digit number, that is 87,530. So this is the greatest 5-digit number. And we can also form greatest 6-digit number also. So how can we form greatest 6-digit number? By using these 5 digits. So we can form greatest 6-digit number also by using 5 digits. And we can also form greatest 7-digit numbers also by using 5 digits. So how can we form 6-digit numbers? So greatest number, that is greatest 6-digit number. So greatest 6-digit number. So but there are only 5 digits. So there are only 5 digits. So 7, 5, 0, 3 and 8. So first write the descending order. So first write the given digits in descending order, that is 8, 7, 5, 3, 0. That means 87,530. But this number has only 5 digits. But we want a 6-digit number. So how to get 6-digit number? So that is greatest 6-digit number. So children, remember, so there are only 5 digits, but we want greatest 6-digit number. But we have obtained greatest 5-digit number. We can write how to write the greatest 6-digit number. So repeat the greatest digit among the given digits as the number of times we required. Here we have to require one more digit. So there are only 5 digits and we require one more digit. So repeat the greatest one. So repeat the greatest one again. So we required one more digits. So repeat the greatest digit one time. So now I repeated the greatest digit one more time, 8. The greatest digit is 8. I have repeated the 8 one more time. That becomes, so this is the greatest 6-digit number, 8,87,530. So in this way, we can also form greatest 7-digit number. So how can we form greatest 7-digit number? So in the same way, we have only 5 digits. So first arrange the given digits in descending order. So first arrange the given digits in descending order. So this is the 5-digit greatest number, but we want a 7-digit greatest number. That means we should require 2 more digits. Now repeat the greatest digit 2 times again. So repeat the greatest digit 2 times and write at the left side of the number 8, 8. So I have repeated the greatest digit 8 2 times and the 8s are written at the left side of the given number. So then it becomes 88,87,530. So children, in this way we can form any number of digits from the given number of digits. So greatest number can be obtained by arranging the given digits in descending order. In the same way, how can we write a smallest number? So the smallest number can be obtained by arranging the given digits in, so by arranging the given digits in ascending order. So smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. So write the smallest 5-digit number by using these 5 digits. So the smallest 5-digit number. So we can obtain the smallest 5-digit number by arranging the given digits in ascending order. That means arrange the given digits from smallest to greatest. So first of all, arrange the given digits from smallest to greatest, that is in ascending order. So write the smallest digit first. So which is the smallest digit here? Here 0 is the smallest digit. So write 0. So if we write 0 first, that means any number should not start with 0. That's why if 0 is present in the given digits, we should not write 0 in the first. That means if any number starts with 0, it has no meaning, and any number should not start with 0. That's why while arranging the given digits in ascending order, the 0 should not be written in the first. That means the next smallest number should be written in the first. So after 0, which is the next smallest one? So 3 is the next smallest one. So write 3 first and 0 in the second place. So children, remember this point. If 0 is present in the given digits, 0 should not be written in the first. So the 0 should be written in the second place, and the next smallest number after 0 should be written in the first place. So after 0, the smallest digit is 3. That's why write 3 in the first place and write 0 in the second place. And arrange the remaining 3 digits in the ascending order as usual. So after 3, which one is the smallest? 5 is the smallest. So write 5 here. And after 5, which is the smallest? So 7 is the smallest. So write 7 here. And there will be remaining 8. So write 8 in the last. So this is the smallest 5-digit number, 30,578. So in this way, we can write the smallest number. And we can also form 6-digit number with these 5 digits. How can we write smallest 6-digit number? So smallest 6-digit number. So first arrange the given digits in ascending order. First arrange the given 5 digits in ascending order. So the given 5 digits ascending order, we will get 30578. But this number has only 5 digits, but we should require 6 digits. That means we should require one more digit. So how can we write? So we should require one more digit. So repeat the smallest digit one more time. So repeat the smallest digit one more time. So that means repeat which one is the smallest here? 0 is the smallest here. So repeat the smallest digit one more time after its. So here again repeat 0. So now it becomes a 6-digit number, and the number is 3,578. 3,578. So this is the way how to write the smallest 5-digit number. So children, in this way we can write smallest numbers and greatest numbers by using the given set of digits. Now let us practice some more problems on these smallest and greatest numbers in the exercise part.